Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a very easy and quick college makeup look using very minimal products. So let's get started. So I have already prepped my skin and I'm jumping straight on to the Garnier BB Cream, which is my favorite. I'm using a damp beauty blender to bounce it on all over my face. This one is my pack. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to brighten my face. I'm using it under my eyes, around my mouth and in areas where I need extra coverage. I'm blending it all in with my beauty blender, making sure everything is well blended and seamless. Next, I'm using the Loreal Matte Magique Compact Powder. It will set my makeup and keep it fresh and last all day. For my brows, I'm using the Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo Shaper in the shade Brown. I'm just filling in the gaps and brushing them through with a spoolie.
Audio Jungle.
To define my eyes, I'm using the ColorBar Just Smoky Kajal. I'm lining my lower waterline with this. I'm squeezing my eyes. This technique helps to transfer the kajal on the top waterline as well. And I'm using the smudger on the other side of the pencil to smoke it out a bit.
Audio Jungle.
It's time to add some color on my face and I'm using this blush by Essence. It's called Blush Up in the shade Heat Wave. It's an ombre blush and I'm mixing the two shades and I'm sweeping it gently on the apples of my cheeks. To finish the look, I'm going to add some lip gloss. This one is by Faces in the shade Candy Eyes.
Audio Jungle.
And I'm also going to add some mascara to amp up my lashes. This one is the Hyper Curl Mascara by Maybelline.
Audio Jungle.
And that is the final look. Do give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.